In a world where technology evolves at the speed of light, the silent architects behind our secure digital landscape are the groundbreaking AI innovations, ensuring the safety of tomorrow's technology today. However, the rapid advancement of these technologies also brings forth a significant challenge, keeping our digital infrastructure several steps ahead of cyber threats, which are becoming increasingly sophisticated. The solution lies within the same realm of innovation that poses the problem. By harnessing the power of advanced machine learning and AI algorithms, we can build self-evolving security systems capable of predicting, identifying, and neutralizing cyber threats before they even arise. This not only secures our technology, but ensures a resilient digital future. If you're intrigued by the prospect of AI's role in fortifying our digital world and wish to dive deeper into this fascinating subject, don't hesitate to leave a comment or send a message. Let's explore the boundless possibilities of securing tomorrow's technology with AI innovations together.